guys! Isa ka ba sa mga curious o gustong matuto kung paano mag-upload ng mga kanta or audio track dito sa Starmaker? Well, this video is for you. And by the way guys, please subscribe on my channels and hit the notification bell so that ma-notify kita kung may mga bago akong uploads. Before we proceed sa steps on how to upload track in Starmaker, we need to prepare first all necessary files na kakailanganin natin sa pag-upload ng track later. I already created folder where I saved the instrumental music, image, and lyrics that I'm going to use later, and I downloaded this from Google. For this tutorial video, I'm going to use Moira's wedding vow song Promise. I have here MP3 format and also the image I'm going to use later for cover photo. I did some edits like I put in the title of the song and Moira's name as the artist name. And of course, I also copy from Google the full lyrics of the song Promise. After we prepared all necessary files we need for uploading track in Starmaker, for me, I usually do login first to my Facebook account that I use to register my Starmaker account. So, ayan. I'm already inside my Facebook account. And then, click the new tab so that we can type in the web page of the web page address ng starmakerstudios.com wherein we're going to upload the track. Okay, then press the enter key and then you'll proceed here sa Starmaker web page environment. So, explore nyo lang yan, yung mga menus. Click nyo yung like these songs, may best solos. You can see the best collabs, trending, mga American Idols na yan. And then, ito yung start. So, when click the upload button, they're gonna ask you to log in sa ating Starmaker account. So, since ako ay ginamit ko is Facebook account and nakalog in na ako in the other tab, and click ko lang yung login with Facebook. Okay, and then, dito tayo sa loob ng Starmaker page. We just need to click again the upload button and then we'll proceed here sa step by step. So, nasa step 1 tayo wherein dito tayo mag-a-upload ng track. Okay, to start on uploading the audio, we need to click the small square box to get the audio file from the folder you save your file. Or just simply drag your audio file on it. Always remember the audio file required in Starmaker must be in M4A or MP3 format. Usually, MP3 format is commonly used in uploading the track and must not exceed to 20 MB and 10 minutes as maximum length. Now, tapos na ang uploading ng ating track, then we can click now the next button so that we can proceed to step 2. On step 2 page, we are required to fill in the title box and the creator box. Okay, in the first box, just key in the title of the song. So, ang title ng song or the music na in-upload ko is Promise. It's a Wedding Vow by Moira de la Torre. So, ayan. And on the second box, key in the creator name or the artist name. So, for now, it's up to you if you want to put your name as creator or the name of the artist. So, for now, I put Moira de la Torre. Okay, after nating i-fill in yung mga necessary informations na need here, yung title ng kanta, and then yung creator name or yung artist name, we need to click naman this small box beside the I agree that the song complies with Starmaker's terms and service and does not infringe Elsa's right. So, click lang natin yan para maging check and kahit hindi natin pa nababasa yung terms and service. So, ayan, usually hindi naman nababasa yan. Then, click natin yung next button. Okay guys, the next is we're here already sa third step page kung saan kailangan natin mag-upload ng ating cover photo sa uploaded track natin. So here, yung choose image button. Pag click nyo yan, then kunin nyo yung file nyo doon sa save folder nyo sa inyong laptop or sa inyong desktop. Okay, I use 600 by 600 pixels. Square type siya with a JPEG file format. So, ayan na-upload na siya. And then, up to you guys kung gusto nyo maglagay ng tags. Mas maganda din kasi at least mas madaling mahanap ng mga followers nyo yung kanta na in-upload nyo. So, just put Moira's song. Okay, then click OK. And then, hanggang 4 na tags pwede kayong mag-key in dito. And then after that, you click next and then you'll proceed to step 4 page. And what is this step 4 page? Dito na tayo mag-encode or mag-paste ng ating song lyrics. So, copy-paste nyo lang kung meron na kayo na-save or kung masipag kayo, pwede nyo din namang i-type mula umpisa hanggang dulo. And then also, kailangan din natin i-double check yung mga wordings kung may spelled words or may nabawasan sa lyrics o may nasobra o may nagdoble. Kailangan natin i-double check. And then guys, pag okay na yung lyrics natin, kailangan nating i-state dito kung anong language siya. Since this is English, kasi kapag hindi natin i-click yung box sa taas, small box sa taas, hindi siya magpo-proceed sa next step. Okay. I-click natin yung next button and then we'll proceed to the step 5 page. Ito na yung lyrics timing page. Dito guys, kailangan talaga napaka-importante na alam mo yung kanta para alam mo kung kailan ka papasok, kailan ka mag-stop dun sa song. So, kailangan timing talaga yung lyrics with the music. Ayan. So, dito, sabi dito, click the space bar to start and then click again when the next line begin. So, here guys, talagang ito yung pinaka-complicated part or stage or step here sa pag-upload ng tracks here sa Starmaker. So, ang diskarte dito is when you click the space bar, mag-i-start na yung music niya. And then, dapat bago mag-start yung first line, dapat nakaabang na yung black na to na naka-highlight. So, ang timing nito is when you click the space bar, the line ng kanta is magto-turn red siya. Dapat pagka-turn red niya is eksakto or timing doon sa mute. And another thing guys, napaka-importante ng pasensya sa pag-upload really. Kasi kahit gaano mo kabisado yung song, magkakaroon ka pa rin ng mistake dun sa timing. So, kailangan talaga ng tiyaga at napakaraming pasensya. And kung sakaling hindi nyo talaga makuha yung timing, sa umpisa ganyan talaga, ganun din ako. Napakarami kong beses akong nagkakamali sa timing. Ang usually na ginagawa ko lang is paulit-ulit lang, go back to the step 1, and then hanggang perfect na natin yung timing. Okay, tara, try na natin, start na natin. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna click the space bar and then start now. Kantahin nyo para kumano sa timing. Sabayin nyo kantahin. When I will away, and I wouldn't find you near. Days when the past seems to shadow. See? All the hope that you better move. Dapat yung breath sabay sa timing. Kiss me, I'm okay. I hear love setting us free. And all the fears disappear. No end have you. The words may come, there's nothing I can do. For I see His promise, I look at you. Dapat sabay na sabay yung pagka-rep doon sa timing ng kanta or timing ng music. So I thank you for all of your patience, for loving me when I explode, taking all of the pain with nothing else to gain, just when I don't feel. So ayun, looks like natin yung lyrics dun sa music. So nakailang ulit tayo. So check natin. I-click natin itong next to go to proceed to 6 natin kung tama. Kung tama ba yung timing natin. Disappear in a blink. Will be a day will looks like okay so far. Yung pag-upload natin or yung pag-timing natin ng lyrics dun sa music according to the preview. Siguro kung merong sablay, konting-konting lang. So, it's up to you guys kung gusto mo ulitin uli, kung hindi ka satisfied, pero kung satisfied ka na, pwede mo na i-click yung save. And then after you click the save, hindi mo na siya ma-modify kasi automatic na siyang ma-upload sa Starmaker apps. Yan. Click na natin yung save. Okay, and then eto na ang message. So, thank you for uploading. Your uploaded track will be visible on Starmaker after 5 minutes. So, after 5 minutes, check nyo yung Starmaker apps nyo and then you can start na mag-record ng cover. Ayan guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa video tutorial na in-upload ko today. And till next time, thank you for watching and have a great day.